that we will see an uprising from federal workers where they flex their power in some creative way and basically get this administration to the point that the big boys are calling the only people that he cares about, because he has no care whatsoever for the people themselves. All right. So hopefully they will call in. So Congress will still be paid, nobody else. His bootleg golden ballroom or whatever, yeah, they're not stopping on that. Now, when we start to talk about something like SNAP benefits, let me be clear about that. SNAP benefits will probably continue for at least 30 days. So you got about 30 days. And then after that, things will get really funny. The longest shutdown we've ever had was, of course, with this guy again. And that particular shutdown was for 34, 35 days. Hopefully we won't go that long. Hopefully they will decide to do right by their own constituents. So what is this shutdown about? The shutdown is about the fact that the Republicans, who all voted, to continue on with whatever nonsense Trump wants to continue on with, they are okay with the expiration of tax credits for those people that have their health insurance on the Affordable Care Act or through the Affordable Care Act. All right. So the marketplace. So if you get your insurance, marketplace, Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, one of those things, if it sounds familiar, that's what this is about. Okay. At the crux of it, there's a lot of other things, but at the crux of it, this is kind of the non-negotiable for the Democrats. So basically there are people saying, yo, if my premiums go up because the tax credit goes away, I won't be able to afford health insurance. The sad part about this is that right now, most people are feeling like their lives are a lot more unaffordable because of the ignorance that we have seen around tariffs, because of the ignorance that we have seen around just the administration as a whole. But mostly the tariffs have made things unaffordable. The big ugly bill also making things unaffordable. We know that this was the largest transfer of wealth from those that are, say, working class or working poor, up to the billionaire class. As we know, this president himself has enriched himself a ton. For the first time in his life, he probably is legitimately, I use the word legitimately very loosely, but he now is balling, right? After shaking down various news outlets for money so that they hopefully don't get shut down, because we know that he doesn't care anything about the First Amendment, as he's engaging in these sketchy crypto deals that can't be traced with foreign governments, as he's accepting $400 million planes from foreign governments. Like, he's doing a lot and he's corrupt, and that's just what it is. And there is no other way to put it.